Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. So Topic exam is approaching next week, and the best way to study for Topic exam is to learn vocabularies from wherever you can, and the most important thing is to practice all the previous year papers because the questions are always similar. And if you're talking about topic 1, then the options are very similar to each paper. If you will look at the previous year papers, you will see that there are similar options in all the papers and similar type of questions. So let's just begin with previous year paper, that is 83rd topic exam. Next week we have 90th topic exam. So we are beginning with the practice questions of 83rd topic exam. And if you need any specific questions, any specific doubts, then you can comment down and I will surely make a video or explain you all the questions. So let's begin. So let me tell you first that this exam is the first level, which comprises of 2 levels actually. So for the first, you will get your, according to your marks, you will be getting your levels. So if you get 80 marks or above, then you will get the first topic level, and if you get 140 or more, then you will get the second topic level. So our goal should be 40 above, because topic 2 is obviously much better than topic 1. So let's begin with ilgi. Ilgi is reading and the other part is thikki. So these have like 30 questions, and let's begin with the ilgi part. Firstly, you will always see that there's a bogey. Bogey means example, and the most important aspect is to look at the heading first. So we will look for keywords because we don't have so much time that we read the whole heading and everything. So let's just see. The question is 무엇에 대한 내용입니까? 무엇에 대한 내용입니까? So 대한 means about, 무엇 means what, and 내용 is content. So whenever you see dehan, whenever you see the word dehan, you automatically know that we're talking about, what are we talking about? There will be a sentence and you have to see ki kis baare mein baat rahi hai, what is it about? So if we see dehan, we'll automatically start searching for the answers. Okay, let's read the first question. That is the example. The answer is already given to you, but for you to know the pattern, they always give a bogey question. 오늘은 월요일입니까? 오늘은 월요일입니다. 내일은 화요일입니다. For this, you should know days of the week. Days of the week में हमेशा योइल से end होता है, so you know it's the day of the week. Even if you don't know कि ये कौन सा day of the week है और ये कौन सा है, हमें ये दिख रहा है कि योइल है. योइल is day of the week. So the answer would be योइल, that is day of the week. This is a easy way. This is an easy way. If you don't know anything, then you can choose it like that. Otherwise, 오늘은 월요일입니다. 월요일 is Monday and 화요일 is Tuesday. So today it's Monday and tomorrow 내일 is tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Tuesday. 날짜 means date. Nalsha means date. Some people get confused with Nalshi and Nalsha. Nalshi is weather. Nalshi is weather and Nalsha is date. Huir is holiday. Yoir is day of the week. Changso is place. So we can clearly see that we are talking about day of the week, so we will choose the third one. Let's move on to the 31st one, which is the first one in the ilgi. So basically there are 1 to 30 for listening and 31 to I think 70 for reading. 사과가 맛있습니다. 사과가 맛있습니다. Banana도 맛있습니다. Sakwa is, I think all of you know this, apple. 맛있다. 맛 means taste. So Mat means taste. So mashita means tasty. To have taste. So sagwa ka mashit samnida. Apple is tasty. Banana is also tasty. We can see that we're talking about fruits here. So let's see the options. Now यहाँ पे नालशा था. I told you nalshi is weather. So this is weather. ये तो नहीं है. Khwair is fruit. So this might be the right answer. But we will not stop here. We will look at all the options because there are many confusing options also at times. Chikop. Chikop is occupation or profession. Then nai. Nai is age. So right answer is fruit, clearly. Then khage khamnida. 모자를 삽니다. khage is store. And A is used for location. It's a location particle. So I'm going to the store. Khamnida is to go. Mojaral samnida. Now sada is to buy. So samnida is formal way of saying to buy. Moja is not socks. Moja is socks in Hindi, but moja is cap in Korean. I'm buying a cap. Now, either you can read the whole thing, and if you want to do it fastly, you can just see samnida, that is to buy. तो shopping की ही बात हो रही होगी. This is shopping. Kongu is to study. Iram is name, and umshig is food. We can clearly see that we're talking about shopping here. Then, chill warlenen. Chill warlenen. So be opsumnida. Now war is month. सेवेंथ मंथ कौन सा होता है? जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई. सो इट्स जुलाई. Suab is class. Opsumnida. Isumnida to have or to exist. Opsumnida to not have or to not exist. So there's no class on July. There's no class in July. Hakyo an khamnida. I'm not going to the school. I will not be going to the school. Hakyo is school. And an is not. Khamnida is to go. Again. So I'm not going to school. That means उसकी holiday है, right? And holiday हमें दिख रहा है khang is vacation. But we will see all the options. Then okay, so khejor is season. So ये तो नहीं है. Yohing is travel. इसमें people can get confused because there's no school. But that is something else, to travel. We're not traveling yet, right? There are school vacations, so yahi sahi lag raha hai. Then Vichi. Vichi is location. Again, we're not talking about any location. If it would be up, that is in front, an, that is in, or, twe, that is behind, like that, yop, that is beside. ऐसा कुछ होता है तो location होता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लोकेशन भी नहीं है. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पांघाक, दैट इज वेकेशन. सो दैट्स द राइट अप्रोच टू डू सच क्वेश्चंस. दैट इज द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. जनरली द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर दीज ओनली देहान वाले क्वेश्चंस. So yeah, we'll continue with other questions tomorrow. I hope you understood, and if you have any doubts, please ask me. And if you want to join our classes, then please DM me on Instagram, or you can comment below as well. 감사합니다.